my YouTube channel. I'm Marissa if you're new here, and to go along with my like customization series and stuff like that, we are going to be customizing our iPhone today, okay? I did a video for the MacBook, and I'll have that link down below if that one is first. I think that will be coming up first before this one. So this one is how to customize your iPhone to like your aesthetic and just kind of make it your own. So I have a lot of tips here. I think I have like 7 just to show you guys and all that's fun stuff. To begin customizing your iPhone, always starts with a case, okay? Your case is, you know, kind of like your personality. It's customized to you. You can get like an actual custom case and put your own photos on it, or you can just, you know, buy a phone case. So I got this one from Amazon. It's just a nude case. Just kind of goes along with my aesthetic, you know, and that's kind of just how it's unique to me and stuff like that. So kind of just start with your cases, and that's like one way to really make your phone your own, obviously, you know. The second tip is also kind of easy, and it is adding a photo and like changing your phone name. That sounds really weird, I know. But how you do that is we are going to go into contacts here. And as you can see, I really don't have a photo or anything. It's just called Marissa Panfili. So you can just edit that, and you can make it, oh, like there's a suggestion right here for that. That's super cute. But I'm going to add a photo. Or I can take a photo, and then you can also hit all photos. I have so many photos in here. And you can kind of just add it. Like I have so many selfies, guys. So don't mind me. But I'm going to just try to find a photo. Here we go. I like this one. Okay, and then you can move and scale it to how you want. Choose photo, and oh look, you can even add like, wait, that's cool. You can even add filters to it. I'm just going to keep it the original. All right, perfect. So that's my contact info, and then I can change my name too. And I'm going to name it Rissy P. And done. And now, like, when you go onto your computer and you want to airdrop something, your phone will come up Rissy P. Next thing is adding widgets. Now, if you just slide over to the left, you can see that I have some widgets here. And right down here, you can hit edit. And you can customize it. So I'm going to delete these and see which ones I actually want. Alright, let's see. I definitely want the calendar on there. That way it's easy to see the date or anything that I have to do. I actually love having the activity there because when I'm wearing my Apple Watch, it can just show me everything instead of having to open my Apple Watch and stuff like that. You can add music if you want, notes. I usually use my notes a lot, so I'm going to definitely add that, and definitely the weather. And then you can customize it too. So now you have the widgets. Now it says I don't have any events today, and if I did have an event, it would show up on this thing. Also, I'm not wearing my Apple Watch currently at the moment because it is dead, so that's why it says 0 there. I got my notes here, and then it tells me the weather, which I always look at the weather. So it's just super convenient not having to scramble through to your apps for the things that you use daily. So you can definitely add Snapchat. I think you can add Instagram. I'm not sure. Let's see. You can't add Instagram, but you can add Snapchat and TikTok. So I definitely use those a lot. But this is how I customize my little widgets. And look, you can just click it and it goes straight to the app. So it's almost kind of like a shortcut. Next is obviously your wallpaper. So as you can see, I have this cute little like wallpaper that I just got off Pinterest. And then for my lock screen, I have this really cute collage. I didn't make it, I got it off Pinterest. But like I said, you can go on Canva and make your own collage and make it your background. Usually I'll just go onto Pinterest and let's see, I usually look up like designer collage wallpaper. Oh no, I just look up whatever and like, oh, that one is super cute. So you just hit the 3 little dots here and you'll hit download image and it'll go right to your camera roll. And like this one is super cute too. Alright, I actually love this blue one. I'm going to download it so I can show you guys how to make it your lock screen and stuff. And how to make it your home screen. So you're going to go into photos here. And you're going to hit this little arrow button. And you're going to go down. And you're going to go to use as wallpaper. And then you can pinch it, you can zoom, you can like make it bigger, whatever you want. And then you'll just hit set, and then it will come up with options. You want to set it for your lock screen or your home screen, or for both. So I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to make it my home screen because that's super cute. Now everything is like super cute and blue. As you can see, there's the wallpaper. But I'm going to change it back real quick. So I'm going to change it back. But that's how you would do that. So I'm just going to set this one as the home screen because I think you can see stuff a little bit better. I'm kind of going along with the easy ones to get them out of the way and then getting into like the harder ones. So we are going to talk about organizing your apps. Now, this is how I customize my phone. As you can see here, I kind of have different folders, I guess you can call them, that I customize my stuff. So I have entertainment, I got shopping, I have college, I have games, you know, I have photo, YouTube, I got food and travel here, I've got some fashion here. So it definitely is just up to you. And then some stuff I just have laying around. But in order to do that, all you're going to do is like, let's see, mountainside. Actually, what should we do? That's like irrelevant. I'll just show you just for right now. So I'm going to put mountainside in one of these categories. So what you'll do is you will hold down the app for this option panel to pop up, and it will hit, you're going to hit edit home screen. And you are just going to put it in, I'm going to put it in fashion for right now, that way you guys can see. And then you can always customize this. You know, I'm going to just name it extra, like extras. Or you can name it like, I'm going to name it actually miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. And then you'll just hit that, and then you'll hit done at the corner. And now you have your little pod of some stuff. So that's how you would do that. And then let's say you want to put Run Tracker and TikTok together. So you can just hit one or the other, edit home screen, and then all you're going to do is drag it right into Run Tracker and then place it there. And then that you can also take stuff out too by doing the same thing and moving it to your home screen. So that is how you can kind of customize your apps, make your apps look a little bit more organized, maybe easier to find stuff. Like I categorized all my YouTube stuff. I also categorized all my photo stuff, so it's just all right there, and that way I don't have like multiple pages on my phone of apps. So that's just how I customize my apps. Now, the next hack to customize your phone you're gonna love, okay? So this has to do with shortcuts, okay? You can kind of customize your apps a little bit and make them the colors that you want. But it's definitely personal preference because using shortcuts, it does kind of lag when opening up an app, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to delete this actually so I can definitely show you. Why won't it delete? Okay, so you're going to go to shortcuts here. Now, if not, you can go here and you can type it in and it will pop up. So you're going to hit create shortcut here. And I learned this on YouTube and I thought it was so fun. So you're going to hit add action. And you're going to hit, oh, you have to type it in like exactly. So you're going to hit open app. And you're going to come down here where it says open app under actions. Okay, and then you're going to click choose. And which one do we want to do? Let's do messages. We're going to customize our messages. Okay, so now you're going to go to the little three dots here, and we're going to customize it. So I'm going to name it messages. You can literally name it frog, pig. You can name it Rissy. Like, you can literally name it whatever you want. And then we're going to click on the little icon here next to it. And you can, you know, change the color, however, whatever color you want. I'm going to do pink because I love pink. And you're going to go over to glyph. Now, this is where you can customize it, like, oh, I want it to have a heart on it. And these are little icons that you can put on to this little photo. Oh, and you can do people, you can do little symbols, and stuff like that. I'm going to go to objects here, and I know that they had a messaging one. I'm going to do this, actually. That one's cute. I'm going to do this one. Okay, and then you're going to hit done. And all you're going to do is add to home screen. And then you're going to name it. See how it says new shortcut? You're going to name it messages or whatever you want. And then you're going to hit add. And then there it is. So now when you click on it, it's going to take you right to your messages, but it kind of lags a little bit like that. So now you can, remove, I think you can remove the messages here and then add the messages here. And then you can put this in like a little folder so it's hidden. And then you can make all of your, icons different colors, the same colors with cute little symbols. Back to the shortcuts. Now you can create shortcuts for literally like anything. So you'll just hit add action again and you'll hit open app. And let's see. Let's do everything on my like little dock there. So let's do phone. I'm gonna make them pink. And then let's see. I mean, that's just basic. I mean, you can really make it whatever you want. Add to home screen. I'm just gonna name it phone. Awesome. I don't know why I just did that. So you can also do it with Instagram too, which is so cute. So you can just customize your dock however you want. But like I said, it kind of lags a little bit like that. So it's going to open the shortcut and then take you right to the messages. So it is personal preference. Again, it literally just takes like a second to open, not like straight, to messages. So again, personal preference. If you don't mind that, then this is cool to do. I think it's so cool. I don't really mind. So I think later I'm going to do like all of my apps. That'd be so cute. So that is one way to customize your apps. The next one is like color filters. Now you're gonna go to settings here, and it's kind of like how your screen will lay out. And I believe you go to display and brightness. No, lied. Go to accessibility and hit display and text size. Yes, I always forget this one. And then down here you can click these. So you can do smart invert where everything is kind of just like black mode. I'm not about that. You can do classic invert, which I think everything is like, let's see. Yeah, classic invert, everything's kind of like black and purple. And it's kind of like that negative blue type of thing. And this is what smart invert looks like. That's interesting. That's actually kind of cool. I would do that, but I would definitely not do classic because I don't know if I can hang with that. So let's see. What's different without color? I don't think that really did anything. But okay, you're gonna go to color filters here, okay? And you're gonna turn it on. And you can do grayscale where everything is literally in like a negative mode, like everything is gray. There's no color at all. You can do red or green where like you can see everything is pink. Even my background kind of turned to pink, which is just cute because like as you can see like the music app and some of the stuff that was red is now pink. And you can make it like intensified too, or very subtle. You could do a green or red filter. That just kind of makes it more like purple pink. Not a big difference, I don't think. And then blue and yellow really doesn't do that much, so I don't know why that's there because that's kind of pointless. But it kind of just makes everything a little bit more blue if you intensify it. So that is how you can do that. See, this is just normal now. There's no color filter on it. So again, personal preference. That is it for this customization video for your iPhone. I hope you guys really enjoyed these type of videos. If you want more, leave a comment down below, subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!